That's my deer hide from last year. I'm going to be tanning that one of these days. I get some pig brain. Welcome to my personal space. This is my backyard. And I have a little forest over here. Pine trees, deciduous trees. I got a lake back here full of fish. I got wild edibles that grow over around here. I'm going to build a shelter over here. There's a woods there where I got plenty of firewood for my fires. Here's my fire pit right there, which can be used as my cooking hearth. I have more wood over here. And I'll put this on hold so I can talk. Hi there, my name is Linda. And I have my map here. I'm not that great at drawing. I'm not sure if you can really see this. But there's my map. I have a bunch of trees lines here, and my water source here, my little forest here, my fire pit right in the middle. The grass, wild edibles all around. We have clover, dandelions. I know those for sure. I have cattails in the wetlands area on the pond. We have fish out there. There's like 38 varieties that can be caught and eaten. There are turtles out there. We have geese, mallard ducks, wood ducks come in. We have quite a few furried friends. We even have blue herons that come by in what are those, ecru's, or I know it's some big huge bird. I don't know much about them. They were an extinct species. They're bringing them back. And animal life we have around here, we have your common possum, raccoon, skunks, coyotes, deer. We've had deer in the backyard peeking in the windows before. That was pretty neat. Squirrels, we got lots of squirrels. Chipmunks, we got those. I'd like to learn to trap those because I have so many of those running around. Really enjoy my space. I've lived here 15 years. I have everything I really need. As long as I pay off that house, I could live here in my backyard, no problem. With all the resources I have around me, I'm a pretty lucky person to have this here. I have another space out in Eagle, Wisconsin on the state land, which I can't get to right now because it's like winter. But in the summertime, I go out there quite a bit hiking, and I'll bring my camera and take you a picture and a video of me out there in that special area. There's water sources out there. Oh, that reminds me, we have springs around here too. This is a spring-fed pond. I could bring you over there to show you. We have some really hard water over here. It's very hard. It turns orange when you turn on my water faucet and everything. Very full of minerals, but it's right over here. This part of the ice gets very dangerous, especially in this area trying to ice skate, because you could fall through. It never freezes. But right here, if you look, here it is in the middle of winter, and there's water coming up through the ground here. I hope you can see that. That's a natural spring. That's one of them that seeps up through the ground, which causes this area of the water to never freeze all the way, no matter how cold it is. And here's the pond. We have toads also, frogs, bullfrogs. And one thing I do know we don't have is snakes or grasshoppers. And I don't know if that's because people were using pesticides long ago. I find that very interesting. We have the fireflies at nighttime and those Japanese beetles, but it just baffles me to know that we do not have snakes, because there is an area here where they do have brown snakes that are endangered species also. So it leads me to believe that there is pollution or pesticides that are killing some of the resources we had, which is a shame.